Hi guys, welcome to a very sweet awesome tutorial on PCB software design. Guys, I am George Steve and today I'll be showing you something we're going to do in this project, and that is what we're executing. It's a simple 5 volts PSU by Steve. Yeah, in the previous tutorial I was able to show you some things and I showed you everything I just did, and I just wanted to inspire you in the previous tutorial, and I really believe you are inspired before coming over to this place, because if you're not inspired you can go on with this. Yeah, because as a beginner we have to do something very little before we can go back to bigger stuff, because if I should be able to soldering something very mighty at the end, you might get confused. So I deemed it fit that what we need to do now is to build a very simple PSU, and I hope you don't know what PSU is, guys. If in case if you don't know what PSU is, means power supply unit. Yes, every electronic gadget in this world has a power supply unit, and because of that, you will be building your first power supply unit, and that is 5 volts power supply unit. This is very sweet, guy, and it's just very simple. You can see this is how it looks. Okay, this is you can see my name here, www.gsteveworld.com. You can see that, and you can see that every parts are named. That is one good feature of this project, and this is just the back. Wow, that is very cool, guys. You can see that, and you can see how very simple it is and straightforward. Yes, I will be showing you how to do this, and I hope at the end you're gonna like it so much, and believe me, I also believe that you're going to do what? Yeah, you're gonna love it so much. Yeah, so this is how it looks, and here I'm gonna show us all these guys so that we're gonna see them and see the way they look. All right, so here is the input, the AC input. This is AC input, guys. All right, so this is the beginning. So here we put our AC, and our transformer is gonna be here. You can see T in and T out, and here's the bridge rectifier, so to step down the voltage, and here is our capacitor, 2200 microfarad by 25 volts, because just 5 volts stuff, and we have, I'm gonna put it on the other side so we're gonna see that. All right, ready. So here is my 7805 regulator for 5 volts. Yeah, and you can see plus and minus at the ends, and that is for my output terminals. That is very cool. I can see an indicator LED, and I see my diode. You see my resistor. Wow, it's a complete circuit, and I hope you can see that everything is really complete. And you can see I just added my name. Yeah, that guy's like, why did I add it in there, Judge? Yeah, you can see I added www.gsteve at www.gsteveworld.com, and 5 volts PSU. So you will learn how to add all these in your project and how to put all these guys there. And down here you can see the back of the board as well. And if I go ahead and remove the circuitries, you can see I removed the components from here and see how it looks. Yes, I hope that is really very interesting. So you'll be learning how to design a very sweet, awesome PCB, just like this one you are seeing here very before you. And I'm going to lead you step by step. I'm going to make sure everything is really working fine. I'm going to show you how to put the button coppers. I'm going to show you how to put these top seals you are seeing here. And it's not going to be a very big task for you. I assure you that it's going to be wonderful. It's going to be so great at the end that you will start to make professional PCBs for your products. Yes, I told you guys, you really need a professional PCB for your product, and I really care so much that you start making your own products by yourself. Yes, and start making huge amount of money from that. Yeah, it's very important I say that, so that you don't just think that this is just for electronic hobbies who are just who play around with it without making even a cash from that. Alright guys, I hope you really see how the PCB looks and how sweet and how very interesting the guy is. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy, guys. So guys, I'm gonna see in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you the PROTEUS simulation of this project, so that we make sure that it's really working in PROTEUS before we start building in real life, because you don't go ahead and execute anything without first of all trying it out in PROTEUS. So I'm going to show you how to make all this and how to simulate the 3D visualization, and you can see how very sweet very cool everything is. So from my starting point, AC input, T in, TL, rectifier, my capacitor, blah blah blah, 5 volts output, everything, and it's really very great at the end. You can see the back, very sweet and very simple. Oh my gosh, yeah, I love it so much. Guys, don't mind me, I always like something that is very sweet, and I don't know if you do you also like that. So if you really like that, let's kick off and move to the PROTEUS there's a PROTEUS, yeah, to move to the PROTEUS simulation of this project to make sure it's working fine before we go ahead and start to build this thing from scratch. So this is the task we have in this PCB, and this is what we'll be doing. So when you learn how to design your very simple stuff like this, and something very interesting just like this, that is when you not kick off and say, yes, you are what? You're a great guy, and this is what you'll be designing at the end. And we'll get it printed and have it on our own you have it in your home and in your electronics. They're already working fine. Remember, we're going to implement everything. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next tutorial, guys.